Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, and I wanted to just bring a short video to you about my towers. So I got these towers last year, and I was deciding, well, what am I going to do with these towers? Because I'm more of a fruit tree gardener. So first I had put some of these succulents in there, and then I decided, you know what, I'm not going to just use that for just these succulents. So I finally decided I'm going to try to grow because I like leafy vegetables. So I said I'm going to go ahead and try to grow some leafy vegetables. So as you can see some of those growing. We got some collard greens growing over here. The other seeds did not germinate yet. We got some romaine here. All right. Then we come around here, and we got some more Georgia collard greens trying to grow right here. And some more romaine in there. Some Paris romaine in here. We got some narrow kale here that's trying to populate. Got some little onions. I don't know if you can see them. All right. Collard greens up there. And let's see what we have over here. Some spinach blooming here. So this is a little experiment I'm trying because I am a fruit tree gardener. And I figure, I try them inside this tower right here. And I got it from Amazon. It's a medium tower. They have big ones, small one, mediums. This is a medium tower. And they had it on sale, so I decided to pick it up. And I have two. I have this one right here. And then we come right across, right there. So that's what I'm trying. And I feel that's another easy way to garden. Either they're going to make it or they're not, right? Simple as that. So they're not in the ground. They're there. So they'll either make it or they won't make it. Okay, so just bring you that short little video showing you I do have, options as far as trying to grow other edibles. And that's what I'm trying right now. Okay, and I'll keep you updated on my green leafy vegetable tower garden. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.